If you want players to focus on a specific 3D game object in your scene, then this Unity asset might be exactly what you need. Today I want to recommend Background Blur Tool. This tool allows you to easily create a background blur effect, also known as a depth of field effect, and you can freely adjust how strong the blur looks. One thing I really like about this asset is how easy it is to use. You don't need complicated setup or advanced shader knowledge. Just add it to your scene and tweak a few parameters. You can quickly adjust the blur offset and color strength to get the exact visual focus you want. Another big advantage is that it supports all major Unity render pipelines, including built-in URP and HDRP. It also works on multiple platforms, such as Windows, Android, and iOS, which makes it very flexible for different projects. If you're making a game, an app, or even a cinematic scene, and you want to guide the player's attention more clearly, this tool can be very helpful. I put the purchase link in the video description, and also in the pinned comment below, so feel free to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.